Dye my hair again without bleaching. Feed Fresh Hair Lab Milk Color Cream. Before applying Fresh Hair Lab newest product, I choose Wintermelon Tea. Step 1. Transfer contents of the color cream tube into the bottle with oxidizer formula. Step 2. Section your hair. Put an ample amount onto a comb. Apply evenly to sections of your hair. Apply evenly. Step 3. Make a bun. Cover your hair with plastic cellophane. Leave for 30 to 45 minutes. Step 4. Rinse. Result. Turn your hair goals into a reality. Ammonia-free. TheraColor Pro. Before. After. Get your much-needed retouch to your hair with Milk Color Cream from Fresh Hair Lab.